is my first time vlogging, so I don't know how it will turn out. So this is my room in Johannesburg. It's the Holiday Inn. It's a nice and cozy room, big enough for one person. Let's see the outside. It's quite a nice view because now it's about 8 o'clock in the morning. It's quite sunny outside. It's like 13 degrees outside, so it's quite nice weather. They're very generous with the towels as well. They gave 3, but I just gonna use 1. Don't worry guys, I won't waste the towels. And to my disappointment, they do not have a bathrobe and slippers, but thank god I brought my own slippers. Stations like Johannesburg, they always give like free hot chocolate and some coffee. Hey, they have rooibos tea, rooibos chamomile, and some biscuits. They give like free muffins and it's really nice. I did a flight from Singapore to Johannesburg. The flight time was about 9 hours 50 minutes. I'm super tired because I didn't get to rest on board. I didn't feel very sleepy. My lipstick's fading, but my eyeshadow still bomb. But my hair cannot make it already. Yeah, usually when I come in, I'll check out the amenities and after that I will unpack. Then I'll wear my comfortable house clothes and my slippers. Now it's about 8+ AM. I'm gonna meet the rest of my colleagues. I have to go down at 2:45. Maybe I'll take a short nap before I meet them. We're going to eat at this place called Trump's, where they have steaks and more of meat and seafood. So this is my first time vlogging. I don't know how it will turn out. It's so weird talking to myself, but I'm trying to get rid of my nerves of public speaking, so I'm trying to like vlog and talk in my videos because I keep getting very nervous when I have to talk in front of the cameras. Yeah, please bear with me. I know I will get better, but this is just a start. Okay, well, I need to bathe and get rid of this makeup, this mess. I'm finally done bathing and putting on my mask, so now it's time to sleep. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I've been awake since yesterday at noon, at 12 o'clock. Yeah, so it's been more than like 12 hours I've been awake. And now in Johannesburg, there's a 6-hour difference. It's 6 hours behind, so it's 10 AM Johannesburg time now. I'm supposed to be sleeping. Oh my god, I look so bloated. Because I don't have enough sleep. It's 10 now. I'm gonna meet my colleagues at 2:45, so means I have to wake up at about 1:45, 1 hour before, so that I can get ready. Yeah, so I'm looking so dead right now. I like this hotel. They give me 4 pillows, so I can make like a tower just next to me. Yes. Good night. Oh my god, it's 2:14. I need to get ready. Angie, I am late. Ooh. Say hi guys, say hi, say hi, say hi, hello. We're at Trump's.
Welcome. My name is Daniel. Hope you are healthy.
Thank you, Daniel. Thank you, Daniel.
This one pictures and
Oh, so hungry, finish everything. Hi. In medium. Yummy. Sauteed mushroom.
what is steak?
Cream spinach.
Whole chicken hand.
It's a whole chicken, right? Oh my god. Prawn curry. Ostrich over there. I think everyone has their meals. Cheers! You're just like boomerang. Cheers! Kalua, buy the drink. It's called what again?
Amarula.
This one.
Yeah, it's
No alcohol. This one not alcohol. This is the alcohol.
yeah. I don't think there's alcohol in it. Right.
Chocolate.
I just try a bit now.
Yeah, wow,
Anyway.
that's really strong.
Yeah. Okay, try if I can pass for 6. I don't think there's alcohol in it.
Going back. These are all my rubbish. And some more in my bag. Bottle. So hopefully this can last me for 3 days here. This one is super good. It's a red cappuccino. Rooibos tea. So it's basically a no caffeine cappuccino. I like. And I bought some snacks. Thai sweet chili flavor. Another one, but different brand. I like to try different brands. Oh, this is my favorite as well. It's the vanilla rooibos. Why do I say rooibos? I think it's rooibos. I'm not sure. How do you pronounce it? Bought some hot cross buns for checkout day on the 31st. So today is the 29th. So we have 2 more days. Yep, this is my breakfast for that day. And some makeup stuff. I'm trying out this banana powder. I heard it's good. And it's cheap as well. It's a loose powder. And this is interesting. It's a hyaluronic fix. It's to set the makeup. Can't wait to try this one. It's from Revolution. And I heard that this brand is good. Rimmel. I hope this is my color though. It's in medium beige. Yeah, and also this is like a oil. Baking oil. To mix in with the foundation. At the moment I'm using a tinted moisturizer, so I'll probably mix it with this. I'll try. And I bought new nail polish. I'm kind of bored with my current color, so I want to change it up a bit. And I bought a matching lipstick to go with it for work. I think it's matching. Not really actually. Oops. This one is from the Superstay Maybelline in the color 80 ruler. And I'm gonna try this color. It almost matches my nail color. It's the color Rich in 349 L'Oreal Paris. Another chips. This kale and sweet chili flavor. I like sweet chili flavor. It's so nice. And I also bought some fruits. Blueberries is good. These are my desserts. Some seedless white grapes. Some mocha for breakfast on the 31st. I bought some bananas as well for breakfast. Fruit juice are my favorite. These are cold pressed juices. So these are what I usually buy. So I always buy the cold pressed juices. This one is apple fennel mint spinach. And this one is apple cucumber spinach and celery. And these are very cute. These are called like green shots. They call it, I don't know why they call it Mina green shots, but yeah, this is cucumber, spinach, avocado, and kale. Yeah, it's supposed to taste disgusting. Usually I'll take this in the morning before I have anything to eat. I bought strawberries as well. I'm quite surprised that my hair turned out okay. I didn't really do a proper hairstyle. I just like use my straightener and just zap everything. But it turned out okay. Surprisingly. So today we basically just went to Nelson Mandela's mall. Went to eat trams. We went to Woolworths and then went to this place called Clicks or Click, I forgot. But that's where they sell all the like makeup stuff. So I went a little bit crazy, but I tried to control myself. So this is my outfit of the day. So this is what I wore today. This is currently my favorite top. I bought it from Farmer's Market. I like it because I like the color. And I also like the shape of it, so but it's quite short lah. It's very annoying, so I have to wear like jacket over. Oh my gosh, these strawberries are so sweet. It's been a while since I've tasted like very sweet strawberries. Usually I don't like strawberries because it's like a hit or miss. Sometimes it's like very sweet and sometimes it's like very sour. I hate sour stuff. So this is nice. From Johannesburg, Woolworths. Gotta try it. Good morning. Time now, it's 9:40 in the morning. I didn't really sleep well last night. Maybe because of the time difference, I'm not sure. But I woke up with a headache, maybe because I didn't drink enough water. But now I'm awake for a little breakfast. Just getting ready. I just boiled some hot water and I've got this collapsible cup. Let's show you. Hold on. So I can just put this in my bag because it's small enough. And it comes with a lid. So I always bring this with me overseas. And it comes with like a, if it's hot drink, it comes with a holder. So I'll lock that in there. Just wash the cup a bit because it's been in my bag for so long. Just give it a little rinse. Probably gonna make some hot chocolate. Ooh, some milk. I think I slept about midnight last night. Oh my gosh, I kept waking up like every hour. This is a problem every time when I'm overseas. I don't get a good sleep. Oops. I'll be having some hot crust buns, hot chocolate and bananas for breakfast, and then later for lunch we're going to this restaurant called Tasha's. It's just in the mall next door, so can't wait for that. But at the moment, since it's only like 9 coming to 10, I better have some breakfast before I have gastric. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention one thing. I used to have gastric problems, but yeah, probiotics help me to like calm the gastric acids and also gives my stomach like the good bacteria for it to digest properly. So yeah, so I heard from someone that you actually have natural probiotics in your mouth before you brush your teeth. If you drink warm water early in the morning, you definitely will go to the toilet. So I've been doing that and my bowel movement has been like regular. So sorry, I'm being disgusting, but it's true. So I'm just gonna drink my warm water to start off my day. And if you notice, I'm using the cup from the hotel instead of my cup because I'm supposed to drink the warm water with my cup. Because I try not to use the hotel's cup. I don't know how they clean it and sometimes it can be quite dirty. But I've already rinsed it with hot water, so it should be fine. Hopefully it's clean. Today is just gonna be like a stay-in day. Maybe just lunch at Tasha's, then I'm coming back because tomorrow the call time is very early. It's about 4 a.m. or so. So that means I need to get up at maybe 3 a.m. Or maybe 2:30 because since now my hair is short, right? I take longer to get ready because I need to wash my hair and then dry it off and then style it again. So tomorrow the call time is 4:50 I think. Then pick up is like 5:50. I'm not sure. And then we're going to fly to Cape Town to do a shuttle, like maybe a 2 hours flight. So we do like a turnaround. We go there. We go from Johannesburg to Cape Town, 2 hours, and then Cape Town back to Johannesburg, another 2 hours. And then the day after tomorrow, we're going back to Singapore from Johannesburg. So yeah, so my whole flight pattern is actually about, I think 5 days. Yeah. So, cannot wait to go home. We will arrive Singapore on the 2nd of September. Can't wait. This is so weird, like talking to myself. I hope no one's listening outside because I sound like a crazy person talking to myself. I'm sure like people who watch my vlogs are mostly my friends, so maybe mostly flying friends, but maybe if some of you who stumbled on my vlogs and don't know much about me or maybe are new to my channel, if you are curious about, you know, cabin crew life, you can ask questions below, so I'll be happy to answer them. Okay, it's done. The one thing I really hate about this hotel is the Wi-Fi. So if I go to the toilet, the connection is very weak. if I'm on the bed, it's like just nice. Then if I'm here, there's no connection apparently, so I have to move to my bed now to eat. Oh my gosh, I don't eat on my bed. Yeah, so their Wi-Fi sucks. Hello, I'm ready to head out. This is my OOTD. Simple one and not wearing makeup as well because I'm too lazy. Okay, where's my specs? Hey, this is more like it. Now it's 22 degrees in Johannesburg. Okay, going soon. Bye. We're at Tasha's. Hello. I'm having the salmon teriyaki with like rice. This is the broccoli pasta. But the broccoli is all like smashed already, right? I don't see any broccoli. Yeah. Okay. Red velvet cake. So huge. Oh my god. Almost as big as my hand. Okay, let's eat. Okay, so I'm back again, back into the hotel room from Tasha's. And the mall we went was like just next door. It's called The Mark. M-A-R-C. So I bought more things. Bought another one. Ceramic round brush. I really like it. Some honey. Apparently it's from Africa, so I just want to try it. And then more rubbish. I bought this texturizing spray because I ran out of it. Oh wait, one more thing inside. Oh, this jojoba oil. Jojoba oil. I don't know how to pronounce. I heard it's good, so I'm gonna try this with my moisturizers. Oh yeah, that's all. That's it for today. So it's 4:10 in the afternoon right now, so I'm probably going to sleep around 7 or 8 o'clock at night. And yeah, just gonna do my things, sleep, and then wake up for the shuttle tomorrow, our flight to Cape Town. And then yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow.
One eternity later.
Today is the last day in Johannesburg, so I'm just waiting for the rest of my colleagues to come down to have lunch at Ocean Basket. So we're going this way.
5, 6, 7 for the girls.
Bite of the ocean. Sweet prawns, calamari. What else? And fried fish. Where's my fried fish? Oh, underneath. And fries and rice. Whoa. Glorious food. Makan. Seriously,